Morning guys, this is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2014 Peak 389 factory built glider kit day cab to show you. It's built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, and also has full lockers. It's got 620,000 original miles and 0 miles on an in-frame overhaul. I've gotten hot this morning, gonna do a full walk around, show you blow by, frame rails underneath the hood, finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Body and paint look great on this one. Fenders are in great shape, hood, all that's really straight, grill surround. I don't know how you get a little rub spot right there. So only flaw I see on the front end. Back of the cab looks good. Frame rails are in good shape. Air slide fifth wheel. All aluminum wheels on tall 24.5s. Rust anywhere on this truck is just a little bit on the rear end there, just a little bit on the very back end. I don't know if that's just where the trailer was holding anything down. Air track suspension. Tanks and boxes look really good. One spot on the top step. Seats look good. Interior's in good shape. ABS light is on right now, but that'll be taken care of upon sale. Great low side oil pressure, super smooth to the RPMs, and that rises just like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.